Okay, so this is for your problem number 9. And sorry, I wrote this one in a different ink trying to be fancy, and I should have just used the black marker that I was using before so it could show it better. But this is for your number 9, so you're supposed to circle like terms, and then your given problem, and I'll make this darker, is this 10x to the third y, right? So you want to find terms that are similar to the term that you have here. Terms that are similar to the term that you have here are terms not necessarily with the same starting number, right? But it has to have the same variables, like I said before, along with the same exponent numbers, right? So is it this one? No, because there's no y, and x doesn't go to the third, right? Is it this one? No, because there's no y, and x is to the eighth. That's too much. They're doing too much. Is it this one? No, x does go to the third. There's no y. No. Is it this one? Yes. X is to the third, and you have one y. So this is your like term. You can have more than one like term in the problem as long as you have both variables to the same powers. So here's your variable, but you still don't have the y. So no for E, right? So here's your answer, D. That one was easier than the others. So I'm going to keep it going. The problems 11 through 16, I sent you terms for, so really all you have to do is match them up with the definition that I gave you. Try it and let me know how it works out for you. Your next one is C, right? From the last page of a whole bunch of hot messiness. All right, so C says, what does C say? It says 1/8 times 96z. 96z plus 24z squared. Alright. Don't be afraid of fractions. Fractions just means divide. So anything on the outside, you just distribute like normal. Oh. So this turns into 96 over 8z. Plus 24 over 8z squared. That is us saying 1/8 times 96 plus 1/8 times 24. Okay? So now you divide 96 by 8, and I cheated, so I use the calculator. So that ends up being what? I have absolutely no idea. What is 96 divided by 8? I could have sworn I did this on a piece of paper somewhere. Reese!
What?
What is 96 divided by 8? You're supposed to be helping me out here. What's going on?
Sorry.
This is 12.
Why do I do that?
I thought you was like my Vanna White.
What?
On.
What?
I'll forget you, man. You lazy
I
bum.
mean.
Are you finished your burger?
Yeah, I finished my burger.
And that's 3. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. You finished that burger already? You just got it.
What do you mean I just got it? I finished it already.
Alright. So it's 96 divided by 8 is 12. 24 divided by 8 is 3. The last time I checked. And then you just bring these down. So x squared, you can't add it to a regular z because they're not the same. This is this squared. So they're not the same. This could be 4. This could be 16. You know, they could be something else. It could stand for something. This could be apples, and this can be apples to the power of 2. So that probably didn't make any sense, but this is your answer for C. And I'll do the other 2 in a month.